Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Virgin Media customer support. If you need help with any of the Virgin Media broadcast, TV, home, phone, or services, firstly what you need to do is open any of the web browser. At the top, there's this address bar. Type down virginmedia.com and enter it. And once you get inside this homepage of the Virgin Media, you need to select this help in the top right. And from here, you can also search any of this frequently asked question, or you can also select for the broadband, billing issue, payments, change or cancel your package if you have any issues over here. But over here, you can also go to this complaints here. And from here, scroll a bit down and you can go to this start web chat. And over here, you can simply type down any of the message here. You can type down an issue that you want to resolve and select the send here. And after that, Virgin Media support assistants will reach out to you with a solution here, and you need to follow the on-screen instruction. And that is it. That is how you can contact Virgin Media customer support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.